Hey guys, welcome to Paths Oasis, a peaceful space in everyday life where you can explore, discover, and unwind. Well, in today's World Series, we are going to explore Sydney in Australia. I have one friend who lives in Sydney, Australia, and she shared some fun things you can do while touring Sydney. It is one of the largest cities in Australia. Firstly, you can visit the Sydney Opera House. It is well known worldwide for its beautiful architecture, and people go there for big concerts. Secondly, you don't miss out the beautiful beaches in Sydney. For one, you can take a ferry to the Manly Beach, and on your way, you can have a good view of the Sydney Opera House. It's very spectacular. Then also you can view the Harbour Bridge on your way to the Manly Beach. The Harbour Bridge is the 7th longest bridge in the world. Then you can also hop into a city bus tour. Then where you learn all about Sydney and other fun things to do in Sydney, Australia, its history, its culture. There's so much to learn and so much to see. For more details, check out my website, patsoasis.com. Also, check out my books, Pat's Travel Tips and Tales, Pat's Makeup, Business Tips and Beats, and Pat's Recipe Book. Like and share and subscribe. Until next time.